I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by pairing your Xbox controller via USB or Bluetooth and confirming it works in Windows game controllers. Once done, install Steam and enable Steam input for all controllers in Steam settings so Steam can translate inputs. Next, add Yuzu's executable to Steam as a non-Steam game and open its properties. This hands Steam control over the input pipeline. This is essential because Yuzu lacks native Steam-style X input mapping, so Steam acts as the translator. With Yuzu listed in Steam, go to Manage then Controller Configuration. Here you pick an X input template or build a custom mapping that matches Yuzu's expected buttons. Make sure analog sticks are set to left and right stick axes, triggers mapped as analog, and D-pad configured as buttons if needed. Save the layout to your Steam cloud so it persists. Then use Steam's controller test overlay to verify every button and axis registers correctly before launching Yuzu. Now launch Yuzu from Steam so the input mapping created in Steam applies to the emulator. Steam must be the parent process for translation to work. In Yuzu's input settings, set the device to X input or the recognized controller and confirm each button matches your Steam layout. If the controller isn't detected, make sure Steam input isn't globally disabled. Try toggling per game Steam input in Properties, restart Steam, or reinstall Xbox drivers. As a final tip, unplug and reconnect the controller while Steam is running to reinitialize.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.